Hello everyone, my name is Niranjan Namdev Ghule. Now I will start the PPT of the financial account. My college name SAS Institute, Palghar, and my course name MMS first year. Now I will start my course. First agenda is cover in is the definition, brief explanation of the topic, where we it use, advantages, limitations, and one numerical. Okay. Firstly, we are start with the financial account definition. The financial account is a specific branch of accounting involving a process of recording, summarizing, and reporting a myriad of a transaction resulting from the business operation over a period of a time. The brief explanation of the topic. The financial accounting is a specialized branch of accounting that keep track of a company and financial transaction using the standardized guideline, and the transactions are recorded, summarized, and presenting in a financial report or a financial statement such as a income statement or a balance sheet. Companies issue financial statement on a route and the schedule. The statements are the considered external because they are considered external. They are to people the outside of a company, with the primary recipient being the owners, stockholders, as well as certain lender. Okay, where it is used. The financial account is follows. They are either across the basis or a cash basis of accounting. Non-profit corporation and a small business uses a financial account according has to call the language of a business and use it to the many different manufacturing operations. The manufacturing accounting to use to complete data necessary for a sound management decision. The financial accounting is used to report the financial result of a company's operation. The public companies are required to report their result to their public, while the private companies and report to their owners. In either case, the financial statement are created and the result are the analyzed. That process is called as the financial accounting. The some advantages of the financial account. The first is the systematic maintenance of a business record, fraud detection, financial position of a business, preparation of a financial statement, and financial loan arrangement, performance analysis, control over the assets, and taxation. Okay. Now some limitations are follow. The no clear idea of operating efficiency, weakness not spotted out the collectivity result, not helpful in a price fixation, no classification of expenses and accounts, no data for a comparison and decision making, no control on cost, no no standard to assess the performance. Okay, thank you everyone.